Hello guys, my name is Amanda Buhitembe. I'm a learner from Eastc Technical School. I'm in grade 10. Today I'm doing Volcano. As you see here, we're gonna add bicarbonate soda. First. And then we add soap. As we add soap, we're gonna also add food coloring, the red one part, for our volcano. After adding food coloring, we're gonna add vinegar so that yeah, it's gonna like explode. And when you add vinegar with baking soda, you get what is this? You get carbon dioxide gas. You mix with water and also sodium. As our volcano, for our volcano, we're doing it to show how the lava from the volcano erupts. Thank you.